Lester.
All right, so my name's Ken. We're here at Euromotive Performance. This is my 2018 BMW M3 in Austin Yellow. It's hot here right now, but it's great. Right now we have a brand new exhaust, S55 motor. It doesn't sound so good when it's stock, but with the AWE SwitchPath, it's gonna change it entirely. So we're gonna do the first startup. So one of the master techs here, Marlon, just finished the job on the 2018 M3. Did a great job, very detailed oriented. He even wiped the exhaust down because you don't want to leave fingerprints on there. It's gonna leave a nasty print if you let the exhaust heat up and stuff. So he took the detail out there to actually take those prints off. But we're here, like I said, at Euromotive Performance. Here's the owner right here.
Hey guys, how are you? Marlon, how is this? Sir. Is it all adjusted correctly?
Oh yeah.
I don't know why I'm asking you because
did the final adjustment on the tips, but like I said, the master tech here, Marlon, did a great job. I want to give it some time to actually speak to the owner with Euromotive. He did a great. Appreciate that.
So Ken came in. He was exploring exhaust. So we're talking about different sound clips and stuff like that, and we narrowed it down to an AWE SwitchPath non-resonated with black diamond tips, and we ordered them. We ordered this whole kit from the cat's back. And how many days did it take to arrive here?
2 days. The most thing that was surprising, it took 2 days to get here, even with the hurricane coming this weekend. But,
2 days.
Yeah.
And you know how it is, guys. When you want an exhaust, you want it now, don't you? So hey, you can choose us. We'll let Kenneth finish up here. Are you happy, Ken?
I'm just hearing it for the first couple seconds when Marlon drove it around the block just to make sure everything's fine. It sounds so good. It sounds so good.
Ken, hey man,
Thank you so
enjoy
much.
it.
Thank you.
Have fun. We'll see you soon.